Peak, a global market overview. The report quantifies the market based on end-use application. The report analyzes the market across the US, Europe, Asia, and rest of the world. Key market players mentioned in this report include Evonik Industries AG, Jilin Zhongyun Polymer Materials Company, Ltd, Polyplastics, Evonik Corporation, Science Co. SA, Victrex plc, and more. Global market analysis of polyetheretherketone, PEEK. Product segment analysis of polyetheretherketone, PEEK, market. Regional analysis of polyetheretherketone, PEEK, market.